which is set to transform the premium home entertainment experience. So Globr Home and Samsung TV have teamed up to offer the latest and incredible promotion of delivering a free GFiber Prepaid service for every Samsung Smart TV that you will purchase. So starting with August 15 until December 31, so for every purchase of the fabulous selection of Smart TV of Samsung, you will get a free GFiber Prepaid worth 1499 installation. So this is available across 800 stores nationwide. So actually in as far as the north, so it's available sa Edessa, Savers, apart from the big Samsung's authorized stores like SM Appliances, Ansons, Abendsons. It's also available in Mindanao and Vismi. So we have the Imperial Appliances and MCOR. So here's why the promotion stands. No? So first, you will be able to enjoy a seamless streaming at high fiber speed. So for every purchase of a smart TV, you will get an internet in high quality viewing up to 50 Mbps. Next is there's no lockup, no contract. So meaning you will get an uninterrupted internet connection and then you will just do a reload at your convenience. So there are flexible promos as low as $199 for 7 days and $699 for 1 month. Or if you want to have more savings, so there's just a $699 and $999. So just pay one time and then forget about it kasi you will get to enjoy internet connection in your brand new TV. And lastly, because we are upholding customer experience, the best customer experience, so at the time that you will purchase your brand new TV, we will be able to install it within 24 hours. So from the moment that you set up your TV, you will get to enjoy seamless fast connectivity. So this partnership with Samsung and Globr Home, so we are truly honored and thankful for this partnership. This combines Samsung's TV's state-of-the-art technology powered by Globr Home, fiber fast connection. So we are really ensuring that you will get the premium home entertainment experience. So to know more about the product, so we'll share with you a quick video of our prepaid bundle with Samsung.